animals, and they have very sharp claws, very sharp canines, teeth. They have very sharp teeth to tear the flesh. Now, second point is the herbivorous animals. These are the animals which eat the grass, shrubs, herbs, leaves, and plant leaves, and the green grass, and more other things which are veg. So they eat the food which is mostly green in color. Okay? So the herbivorous animals have very sharp front teeth. They have very flat and sharp front teeth because they have to cut the food. Okay? They have to chew the food well. So the herbivorous animals not have very sharp claws because they don't need to tear the grass. Okay? Now, third point is our omnivorous animals. The animals which eat both. They are both carnivorous and herbivorous. Now you are thinking that the animals which are carnivorous and herbivorous, we have to say them carnivorous and herbivorous animals? No, because they eat both, so they have a particular name, that is omnivorous animals. The animals which eat both the flesh and green grasses, fresh leaves. Okay? They are both carnivorous and herbivorous, and they have particular names, that is omnivorous. Okay? Now they have very sharp claws also to tear the flesh. They have flat front teeth to cut the food. They have very sharp canines also. So they have very different kinds of teeth and claws. Okay? Because they are both carnivorous and herbivorous. Now we come to the next point. The fourth point is the insectivorous animals. The animals which eat insects. The animals which eat insects. They don't need the flesh of the other animals. They don't need the grasses, leaves, or other things, because they eat only and only insects. Okay? So they have not very sharp teeth to cut them. Okay? So they have also not very sharp claws because they don't have to tear the food very much hardly because the insects are very small. Okay? So we have learned about the four parts, that is carnivorous animals, herbivorous animals, omnivorous animals, and insectivorous animals. Now let us come to the examples of these four. Now, carnivorous animals examples. The animals which eat the flesh of the other animals. Now you got that tiger also eat the flesh of the other animals like deer, zebra, etc. animals. Okay? Now the examples are lion, now you think that cow also eat the grass. So the animals which eat grass, herbs, shrubs, they are called herbivorous animals, and the examples are cow, zebra, deer, etc. Now we will do the third point, that is omnivorous animals example. So now we see omnivorous animals example. Now before I have told you omnivorous animals eat both. So you think that dog also eat the flesh and the herbs, shrubs. So the example is dog. Second example is deer. And third example is cat. Okay, and many more animals are also here, etc. Now we will come to the insectivorous animals. I have told you the animals which eat insects. So, spider, lizard, and the third example is frog. You have also seen the frog. Etc. Now we will come to the next point. So now our second topic is respiration. Now, why do animals do respiration? So, all organisms need energy to perform vital activities. One more time. All organisms need energy to perform vital activities because the organisms means here it is all the living organisms, all the living things which are in our earth. Okay. Now the second point is humans. We humans, animals and mammals breathe via lungs. What does the mean by via? Via means through. Humans, animals, these all living, all mammals. Mammals means which have who have ears, and they birth to a baby. Okay. So humans, animals, and mammals have breathe through the lungs. Okay. Now fish. Fish breathe through gills. Fish breathe through gills. Just see. Let us see this picture. Let us just mean that it is a fish, a small gills of the fish. Okay, this is a fish. Suppose this is a fish, and here is water, some water. Okay, and this much area is gills. Okay, now insects like grasshopper, flies, cockroach have spirals. Spirals means small holes, very teeny holes. Insects like grasshopper have also very teeny holes. Okay. Now I am making here a cockroach. Now, this is a cockroach. Okay. So, on the cockroach, its body, there are very small, tiny holes, very small holes, which we can't see with our naked eyes. Okay. So, on its body, there are very much small holes. Okay. Now, the insects like grasshoppers, flies, cockroach have spiracles. So these holes are called spiracles. Okay. These small holes, very tiny holes. Here is also like tiny air holes. So these tiny holes are present on its body, from which it takes air. Okay. And a frog has also a moist skin. Let's see. This is the earthworm, and its skin. So this is an earthworm. This is an earthworm. So this earthworm skin, it takes air through its skin. Now, and its skin is very moist, means very and the watery, by which it is very much slippery. The amphibians breathe with lungs on the land, only on the land. Okay, and in water they breathe through their skin. Amphibians like frog, crocodile, snake, alligator, etc. They breathe in water through their skin. Okay, and on the land through lungs. Our next topic is movement. So, organisms move by walking and running is the major character of humans and animals. An example of running is monkey climb. Now leaping, jumping, mostly done by cockroaches, frogs, etc. Globbing, pouching and flying. Globbing and pouching and flying is mostly done by birds. Okay, birds, flies. Okay, swimming, fish and crawling. Mostly the major character of example of crawling is the snake. You know a snake? A snake. Crawling, a snake. Now we will see the animals which work at night, which are active at night